There are so many reasons why you would want to consider studying material science and engineering at Sheffield. Not least the fact that this is an incredibly important, world-changing discipline, given that 70% of all innovations are a consequence of advancements in new materials. But perhaps top of your priority will be your own career prospects.
You may be interested to know that 100% of our 2016 graduates were in a professional level employment with an average starting salary of £27,000 or further study within 6 months of completing their course. That is how in demand these skills are.
Our graduates work with companies like Mercedes-Benz, Airbus, GlaxoSmithKline, Jaguar Land Rover, Rolls-Royce, Philips, the National Nuclear Laboratory and many more. The sectors that most frequently employ material scientists and engineers are manufacturing, energy, aerospace, the armed forces, nanotechnology, biomaterials and sustainable materials.
The majority of our students stay with the discipline as they begin their careers, and since materials are required in every engineering discipline, there are hundreds of possibilities where material scientists and engineers will land in their careers. But our students don't need to wait until they've graduated to meet the employers. We have diverse and long-standing relationships with industrial partners, meaning students benefit from placements and industry-informed project work.
Not only are our courses all accredited by the Institute of Materials, Minerals and Mining, but they also teach skills that are highly transferable. And some graduates choose careers in fields such as law and finance. Others still choose to continue in academia by studying master's degrees and PhDs before finding work in industry, a university or other research institute. One of my favourite parts of the academic year here is when we have events like our speed networking, where past graduates come back to the department to tell their students their stories and what they can expect from a range of career pathways.
So I've come to this event to get a better idea of industry, better idea of what is involved in industry, because obviously in academia it is difficult to gauge that, and so to speak to people that regularly work in industry and that also employ people like me gives me a better idea of what they want and ultimately what I want to do going into the future.
We also have a departmental careers officer who can help you to make the most of the available opportunities to enhance your CV while here. And the university's Central Careers Service is an incredible resource throughout your degree.
Jenks is a medical device manufacturer here in Sheffield. We make postural support equipment for disabled children. I graduated from the University of Sheffield with a degree in material science and engineering, and I specialised in biomaterials. One of the best things about doing a materials engineering degree is the breadth and the depth you get at the same time. I really appreciated the fact that we covered so many materials. So by the end of the course, we've done lots of modules on ceramics, polymers, wood, metal, so that doesn't at all limit what companies you can go into after you graduate.
You can read more about careers on our web pages, but if you have any specific questions, please do get in touch.